and welcome to another episode of The Nail Code. I'm Adia, your online nail educator, and I created this channel to share everything with you that I wish that I knew and more when I got out of nail school. Today is a product review. It is a digital ultrasonic cleaner. Have you heard of them? So I'm going to be unboxing this ultrasonic cleaner today. Ooh. Let's take the instructions out. I'm going to be cleaning my implements today. So I wanted to make sure that I show you my ultrasonic cleaner. Okay? I'm going to take this film off the top. That was a lot of noise for that. Let me show you what's inside. You see, there's a little basket inside of a bigger basket, the cord in order to charge it. Isn't that cute? So let me get this out of here. It's snug because it's meant to stay. The basket is meant to stay in there as it's cleaning. Okay. Throw that trash away. This is your cord. It has that type of prong where you can put it in there. I love this little this little basket. It's so cute, right? I'm gonna put this back. It fits really easily in here. All right. And then the back, you have that 2-prong there. Okay. And so what happens is you're able to heat up water inside of this ultrasonic cleaner for your implements, just because you work at home, right? And you may do nails in your house, okay? Whether you're self-taught or a nail technician and you have a business. It doesn't matter. You still need to clean your implements, right? And also, you see how that fit right in there really easily. And also another thing is you do not want to go without cleaning your clippers, nippers, metal files, or anything that you use at home. It may be for your children, yourself, your spouse, your parents, whatever. You're going to need it. It has the timer on there and the on and off button. This runs on a timer from 90 seconds to 400 and I want to say 80 seconds. Yes. Here it is. And that's the digital portion of it. Okay. You never want to sit this whole entire thing in water or in the sink because water will get where the power cord is. So you don't want to do that. Sit it on top of the sink, pour water inside. Another thing, and this has nothing to do with nails, but you can turn this over inside of here and put your watch, the Apple Watch bands in here, and you know how dirty that gets, and clean that. It can also be used for cleaning jewelry and other things. So you're going to want to grab you one of these. Again, this is a professional digital ultrasonic cleaner. Okay. Go and check it out. Get you one. I'm going to put it down in the description box. You know where I got it from. Amazon. You already knew. I knew you did. And so it comes with these things. The ultrasonic container cleaner, the power cord, the basket, and then also here it comes with that little small basket, and you see how they have the little watch turned over? That's cool. All right, so I'm going to be cleaning my implements today, and I'm going to let you know exactly how this cute little ultrasonic worked for me. And let me know if you have this one in the comments or if you bought a different one. But make sure that you have something to clean your implements. Now, I do not put my implements right away in here. I go through a whole cleaning process, and that'll be in the next video. So I would love to see you in the next video where we talk about how to clean implements. And also, let me just let you guys know, I wrote a book, and it's called 25 Things You Need to Know About Before You Go and Get a Nail Service. And basically, it's not just for customers. It is also for nail techs, for nail instructors. This will give you the tools to become, like, I would say a nail tech that has leveled up their services, know how to present themselves to their customers. It'll help you to make more money. It'll give you ideas of things as a nail tech that you never even thought that you were doing. It kind of gives a divide between a mediocre nail tech and a nail tech that knows what she's doing. You know that your customers love when you educate them. When you tell them things that no other nail tech has told them, they'll always trust you and stay with you. And they would never want to go to any other person, because if you're educating your customers, what do you think? They're going to find value in them. I mean, in you. So you want to do that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share to another nail tech. And also, if you're not a nail tech, you need one of them, girl. Because, honey, when I tell you, you can use this for your clippers and nippers and all of your metals that you know good and well you ain't cleaned in years. See you in the next episode of The Nail Code, where we are unlocking the nail code and we're not gatekeeping.